What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of apps that I've been using that help you validate your SaaS offers for free within days. And it takes a few minutes to set up. And instead of wasting thousands of dollars on development, you can simply validate your ideas. Now, I did not create these apps. I'm going to make that very clear. I will tell you if I create any apps that are going to be showcased on this channel. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name is Adnan Jonathan. I'm 20 years old. I recently dropped out of college to go all in on building apps, and I'm going to teach you guys how to build apps. So I'm going to be building 12 apps over the next 90 days, and they're all going to be geared to helping people make money, whether it's helping you as an app developer or helping, other online business methods. I'm really just trying to help a lot of people make money and change their lives. So before we dive into it, I just want you guys to, if you guys are willing to support the journey, follow me on all socials. In my link tree, I have my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and I'm going to be growing on all these platforms. I post a lot. It's going to be a lot, multiple times a day on every platform. So yeah, I really want you guys to check these out. And if you're watching this, I want you to start as well. So with whatever you're building, whatever you're trying to make money with, you got to build a personal brand. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I've released one YouTube video. I mean, I've been posting a few TikToks and Instagram Reels, and I'm already getting inbound leads on people asking me to build apps for them. So, I mean, no matter how many followers you have, you guys got to keep posting. And yeah, let's get right into it. So both of these apps links will be in the description, so go check them out, support the creators. And they deploy two really important concepts. So one is programmative SEO, which is pretty much just search engine optimization, but programming it to just automate it and deploy thousands and thousands of blogs pretty much. So how SEO really works is it's pretty much your online credibility. So it ranks how high you rank in search engines. So the reason blogs are so important is because usually in the past, you couldn't automate this stuff. So, if some company had a bunch of blogs written about them, it's probably pretty good and pretty credible. So they match to specific keywords in the blogs, and you can program this to just mass shoot them out. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. And now for the other app, it's building top of funnel. So pretty much all it does is build landing pages, and it's super cheap, and it can be done in minutes. And they're actually really good. They come with pre-built templates already. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to show them to you guys in this video. So before we get into it, I just want to talk a little bit about MakersStudio. Now, MakersStudio is the app I created to teach you how to build and market apps, as well as turn them into actual revenue. So here's the AI feature that I personally really like. So what do you want to achieve? I want to build a fitness app and blow it up. And boom, you choose your level, complete some experience. And boom, you get a personalized learning path. All of the lesson plans are in here. And boom, click start your journey. And now it is $24 a month for the next 37 users. And once we reach 100 users, it's going to go back to regular pricing. It's free for the first 50 if you were able to get in. And we also offer custom no-code app solutions. So if you want a little operation system for maybe your agency that you do services for, instead of paying go high level, $497 a month, you can pay at one time. And a complete SaaS MVP. So what this is I simply create you an MVP, a minimum viable product, and I give you a complete go-to-market strategy. So it gives you the actual steps for your specific product on what to do to launch successfully. So yeah, let's get back into the video. All right, so we're going to start out in Epiphany. So this is the app I was talking about when it comes to building top of funnel. So we'll go to the homepage, create a funnel that converts. Now, if you have an info product, this is also really good. So just to show you guys the pricing. Well, it's $9 for the standard edition, and then $19 to create 10 funnels, which is insane. Literally ridiculous. Go High Level literally charges minimum $197 a month for something like this. So this is the one I have. So I'm just going to create one. I'm going to create one in front of you guys for my service. So I like this one. Nah, actually, I'm going to do this one. So here's a template. So I'm going to do this for the service that I provide, where I just build the MVP for you. what to say. What do I say? What do I say? What do I say? And now for the description, get a done for you. Okay, no. This is, no, there's not, I wouldn't even want a tagline there. So. Actually, what did I say? Actually, and focus on what matters. Distribution of your ideas. So you can add an image or a video. I think I want to film a video right now. I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a calendar. Book now. Pick your time slots. Oh shit, you can do it in here. So October to, let's say December, whatever. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Done. Literally all in here. This is literally insane. So kind of see how to title this. So I think that's a good one. Actually, no. Yeah, this is a good one. Fuck it. That should work. That should work. Tech light. I don't know. I don't like the dark ones. Let me see. I don't know. Nah. I like the light one. And then branding. So, here we go. MakersStudio. Go black. I don't like the purple. So, yep. And then you can add features. So you can add testimonials, which is always important. I'd say testimonials, metrics, and partner logos. I like partner logos. And then, so I'm gonna put partner logos at the. Actually, I like this. I like this. Okay, yeah, I like this. So boom. So this is, I don't even, it's been a few minutes and look at where we are already. And then you can do an image, you can do a video. I mean, it's literally like, it's as simple as that, and it's super cheap, super quick. So boom, save the changes. You go to your dashboard and, oh, it's published already. Let's visit it and boom. Simple as that. Now I'm gonna edit this more off. I'm gonna delete this one. But yeah, as simple as that. I'm gonna be making something soon for that. It's gonna be easy as pie. So yeah, that's just building the funnel. So now we're gonna look at the programmative SEO. So this is a good website. I mean, I just saw this in a Discord. So first, you can find keywords that actually move the needle. So if you want to talk about app development service. submit keyword research, and then boom, 14,800. So I think that's the amount of searches with that keyword per month. Yeah, it's per month. So you really want to be in like around 10,000. If it's like a lot, if it's like a lot higher, it's kind of oversaturated. You're really not going to rank that high. So this is fine. And then you could do app marketing, same number. Let me do last one. Let's do app developer. 201,000. So you definitely don't want to use that keyword for when you're building your blog. So I think we're gonna do app development services, and then you can put in someone's website for keyword ideas. Let's see. Yeah. So never seen this feature. This is like comparing all of them. Okay. Recent searches. All right. So now, what do you actually do with these keywords? Okay, here, let me show you. I'm going to go back, and we're going to go here. So this website lets you claim a free backlink. So I'm going to do this. So app development services. So this is what they're going to see in the link. Done for you MVP in days. I don't know why it does this with the spaces. I think that works. So I just deleted that funnel actually. I need to create an actual funnel. So pretty much what it does, it just builds builds out a blog on here. So here, I'm gonna use this. I don't really care. So we're gonna take this, open the link, and boom, claim now. Give it a few seconds. Should generate a full-on blog. If it doesn't, that means I used my free trial backlink already. Hopefully it gives me another one. That'd be really nice. Published. All right, so you view the post, and then boom, there's a full blog. So this helps you rank higher on Google, help get more eyes on what you want. And what I highly recommend is you take this this funnel, and then you paste it on all your socials. Now, this is why building a personal brand is so important, because everybody that follows you is going to see this, and it really doesn't take that much for the right person to see it. So I literally have, let me show you. I'm going to go on Instagram. I have 5 followers, if you can see. 5 followers, and I got a DM asking me about building out apps for them. So, it does not matter how many followers you have. If the right person sees it, it could be game changing. It can make you a lot of money. So it's important you build a personal brand and you put this in all your bios so people see it, advertise it. And the good news is that this converts at a lot higher rate than just your app. So it's really good for info as well. I mean, this is pretty, Maker School is kind of an info, but it's also a service. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, the links are going to be down below for Epiphany and Backlink. Backlink, let's pull up the price. I think it's, right now it's $29 for a lifetime. Yeah, lifetime's $29. $29 a month as well. So, it's really good service. And Epiphany, I talked to the guys over at Epiphany. Great guys, great founders. They're both in college. It's amazing. So I really love Epiphany. So check the link down in this description. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was beneficial. So I don't know if you guys like the format of this video. Just let me know. So I'm going to be doing these type of videos, which are kind of tutorials. I'm going to be doing full app build-outs, which will be really long-form content. And then I'll be doing videos to kind of advertise what I build. So I'll say, like, I built blah, blah, blah for blah, blah, blah to blah, 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 stuff like that. But most of these apps are going to be focused on helping you guys make money, whether it's through building apps or building your own agency or drop shipping or anything, like faceless content, like the stuff like that. That's really what I want to build. I want to help everybody make a lot of money, change their lives for the better, and there's no place better to do it than YouTube. So thank you guys for watching.